Okay, so we're going to do an install of this on this. Okay, so I got my little Tap-O-Matic. You see a little fluid there on the tap. Got this in the jaw. It's got a little aluminum vise, or jaws, I guess you call it. It's in the vise. There we go. It's in the vise with aluminum jaws. Tongue twisted. So I got this guy in here holding on it. I'm just going to start it by hand first. And it's starting to grab there. Get you straight. Don't fight with me. There it goes. Come on, baby. Feels like a coarse tap. It feels, doesn't feel like I got some lower quality taps, and they just don't cut. I hate these type where it's all the teeth on, on each one of the little three sides. I like the ones where they're staggered. It just moves the chips out of the way so easy. Yeah, let me just wipe that on there. Get any of the chips off and keep going. Can almost do it by hand. It hits hard spots every once in a while, and I really don't want to snap this thing off in here. I guess I should take the other end out and then blow through it to get these chips out of here. Let's do that. All right, need my other hand. Okay, so I got blew it out and more Tap-O-Matic on there. Let's just go down a little further. I took the other end out and just blew straight through it. Oh, hey, don't do that. Don't unloosen it. Come on. That should be enough. I'm going to stop there. As you can see, I'm pretty far into the tap. I can actually do this by hand. Oh. That's the air compressor running in the background. I didn't have the air compressor turned on, so it's charging up or filling up. Alright, there we go. I just got to blow it out. Let's put it on the motor. Those that don't know, this is Bella. This is the air gun. So now we're officially installed, and I got the little spring return yet. I gotta just go get the springs. There you go, linkage there, and there. And then when you look at it this way, the lines are a little more parallel also, so you don't have these funky angles. You don't realize what's going on behind it. That's okay, that's behind it. I don't care. This one, it's just, I'm just going from this height up to this height, which I'm probably gonna have to do a little more. I might have to do more angle, but I think that's fine. Well, the other thing is I went to go put in the little, they give you a little barrel nut, nice looking one too, but it won't go in. And I was like, well, I want to go in. What's going on? What's going on? And if you look down in it, I'm probably not going to be able to show it. I don't know if you can see the bottom of the ring. There's a step. It's like it just didn't machine all the way through. There's literally a little tiny step. I mean, right, the little ring. You can just see the tip there where I'm touching. There's a little ring at the bottom. It just didn't. I'm going to assume they machined this first and then came back in and hit this. And when they went this, it burred up probably. No big deal. I'll hit that. And then I can hook up. I already have the throttle cable set up on the dyno. And let's move on to the next thing. I already did the oil bypass. I got to put the O2 actual in. I got the bung in. And let's see here. I need some spark plugs. Look at some breather lines. Oh, I got to do the valve covers because it's running Potters and it's got a bolt-on valve cover. I stole the nut off of this one so I can go get it. But I got to get a stud that comes out so the bolt-on valve cover will go on. Little things.